I am 50 years old, but thanks to this homemade gel it seems that I am 30 years old. This is the gel used by a friend. I hope you like it. With the preparation of this rejuvenating gel based on cucumber and aloe, we want to make our skin more resistant to wrinkles and combat flaccidity. In addition to the main objective in preparing this gel is to moisturize the skin naturally. With the cucumber we will be able to maintain that youthful appearance of the skin, and this thanks to the cucumber is rich in silica, which is an essential mineral to keep the corrective tissue resistant. The cucumber has great benefits and qualities that favor our skin, within which we can mention that cucumber is a good skin astringent, which refreshes a lot. Because the cucumber is largely water, so it is excellent for moisturizing the skin. But it is good to point out that the cucumbers are organic, since the nutrients that will help our skin are in the shell. In our daily beauty routine, the cucumber applied directly to the eyes cut into slices in both eyes will help reduce dark circles and swelling around the eyes. Another benefit of the cucumber is that when we have sunburned skin, it will serve to moisturize our skin and we will feel a sense of relief. With this gel we will be able to significantly rejuvenate our skin. Everything we need will be able to see it in the next video. It is very good to use as a night cream. We applied it at night and the next day we removed it with warm water. You will keep it in the refrigerator. It can last up to a week or about 10 days if you add vitamin E.